setting up your event in just a few minutes. I am your AI avatar, ready to showcase the key features and functionalities of myOnvent. In this video tutorial, you will be introduced to the following myOnvent features: core event details, the exhibitor hall and paid event options, and publishing your event. When you log in as a myOnvent organizer, you'll be greeted by the organizer dashboard. This control panel will be your go-to place for fully setting up and managing your event. At the top of the dashboard, you'll find the main menu tabs, including Setup, Event Info, Auditoriums, and more. Start with navigating to Setup and checking core event details. Ensure that the information here is accurate and up to date. Don't forget to hit Save after making any changes. After, in the left side menu, select Event Settings. Enable the appropriate exhibit hall. Exhibitor booths are commonly used for event sponsors, partners, startups, and other organizations, and poster study booths are most commonly used for academic events. If you would like to learn more about different exhibit halls, you can refer to our tutorial on exhibitors' booths and posters setup. Note: choosing the exhibit hall should be done before you will publish your event. After, scroll down to enable login toggles for participants, exhibitors, or poster study, depending on which user groups you will have for your event. If your event is paid and you'd like to connect your Stripe account to myOnvent, please refer to our tutorial on how to monetize and control access to your event. This step should also be done before you will publish your event. To continue, make sure to update your event's terms and conditions and privacy policy. Navigate to Legal tab to find both templates. And after, navigate to Communication tab and choose Email Templates on the left side menu. Make sure to take a look at your confirmation email, which is sent out automatically to all registered users. You can easily update the text by pressing Edit icon. The last step, on the left side menu, choose Event Management and click on Publish Event. Keep in mind that this action is permanent and cannot be undone. A verification pop-up will appear to ensure you're prepared to proceed. Once you've published your event, its home page and registration pages become public, allowing you to share them with other users for registration purposes. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your online event using myOnvent. You can proceed by incorporating your event's branding and other content, which will be showcased in upcoming tutorials. Thank you for your attention. We hope this tutorial has empowered you to create engaging and memorable events. We invite you to check out our further video tutorials or in-depth PDF documentation. For any further questions, please get in touch with us via email at contact@myonvent.com.